pressing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me
Lost my keys to the flight.
where we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me just another stage.
High volume, high volume, high volume.
I was so upset, guys. I cried on my birthday.
This is like a sea. Wow.
Love you. Bye, Joy.
Bye.
Sounds like great.
Hey y'all, good morning. It is already the next day. So yesterday when I came back, I didn't vlog because yeah, a lot of drama happened. I lost my keys to the flight, so I had to beg someone to break down the door for me so I could get in, otherwise I would have been stranded the whole night. So yeah, vibes. This just got delivered, my table, my study desk from home because I couriered it, so I'm gonna be using this to be studying this whole month. The issue is now I don't have a chair, but I didn't want to order a chair not knowing how tall it is, because then I might order like a quite short chair or a too long chair and then I'm gonna sit uncomfortably, because I don't want to buy an office chair. There will be very little chances of me working from home, so there's no need to ruin the aesthetic of my place with an office chair. And I like the fact that this table is foldable. I'm still yet to decide if I'll keep it open all the time or if I should fold it at other times, because then for creating content it'll be very good, because there's no lighting at all on my kitchen island here. I'm just finishing up cleaning it and then I'll be continuing with studying. Yep, hello. Wow.
Yeah, I'm so heartbroken. So I was set on this chain because it kind of like matches with the table. They say they don't have this one in stock. It's only going to be back when mid-month, so they only have this one in stock and they can't sell the one that is on display, blah 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 blah. So now I'm forced to take the color that I don't want at all, because then all the other options that are here are not my kind of vibe. I am sad, to say the least, but it is what it is, because I need to get on be on my Zoom, make sure that I get in that bag, that study bag. I'm so annoyed. But okay, it is what it is. What can we do? What can we say? I brought mangoes from my grand's, but due to heat and traveling and stuff, they got squished. So I'm making them like a puree type of situation, and I'm gonna put them in this ice tray so I can use them in my smoothies. I'm actually so sad because I was looking forward to eating mangoes with my muesli. But vibes. Yes, I did. Just got home from work. Fit of the day. Can't really show you because the lighting is fighting against me in the mirror there. And don't mind this, I have no idea what happened there. But yeah, I bought these pants at Mr. Price. I love them so much because the length. Wait, let me show you, even if the lighting is fighting with me. They are brown pants and look at the length. When last did I buy pants and they fit this beautifully? What? I love them so much. They're brown in color, although they look black, but they're very much brown. And yeah, there we go. Brown pants, cream top, and brown corset. And then I had tied my hair like this. And brown shoes. I think it's time I let the cat out of the bag. English is not Englishing today. Like, I haven't spoken in a few days, so it's a bit hard. But let me let the cat out of the bag. Yeah. I changed employers. I think that's the prettiest way I can put it. But yeah, I changed employers. And literally today, what I had gone to do at my new job was to just show face and then get them to start processing my leave, because I'm on study leave. So I'm going to be on study leave until the end of the month. So yeah 2026 came with a lot. I'm excited about this new chapter, this new journey. I think it'll work the best out for me. I stand a better chance of thriving, like, personally,
at my current job than I would have at my previous job for many reasons. Not to say that I have any like animosity towards my previous employer. I was very much happy there. I made really beautiful relationships and it's just that it wasn't like a good glove, I guess, for me, considering the point in time that I am in my career and in life in general. So I had to like readjust and reconsider a few things and prioritize the things that matter the most to me, the things that I find the most important. Yeah, I hope I'm not saying too much but not too little at the same time. I just only came here to show you all the fit and to let you know that you will be seeing me at different places than you did last year, at a different office. Do not be shocked. Yeah, yeah, there's nothing else. I actually made a smoothie. The way I'm just so hungry, I literally didn't take off my shoes and I just made let me not open it closer to my box, you. I made a smoothie. This is just oats and mango and milk. That's nice. I'm just gonna have that now. I'm gonna take a nap and then get on with the books. Yo, yeah, Perry, shit, wow. What's up, y'all? Guess what I just made? I made oat milk with just filtered water and some oats, and then I strained it out. Yesterday I had made it and I hadn't strained it out, so today I strained it out and there's this pulp that is left. Is it pulp? Solids, because pulp is for fruits, right? Yeah, I think so. These solids that are left behind. This is literally porridge. You know, if you eat Future Life, this is it. This is my vanilla essence, and I'm also putting it in the milk just to give it some personality. I need to buy more vanilla essence. The amount of times I use this thing in a week is very much questionable. Some people do put salt and sugar in their milk. I don't want to put anything because I'm going to be using it for coffee and other stuff, so I don't want to do that. Yeah, that's it. It's basically everything. I'm so proud of myself. See, the reason why I love food so much is because it allows me to do things like this, just to make things with my hands.
Ja, hadden ze door dat we toch aanmaken.
What's up, y'all? I just realized that I haven't talked to you guys in a very long time, but to be fair, I haven't talked to anybody in a very long time. I'm having vegan nuggets and so I was making them for the first time because an idea came to my mind. I was just like, I don't feel like having meat because I had a burger during the day. I made a burger. So I was like, I don't feel like having meat and I don't feel like having like flours and pasta or making buns or something. So I know I have cooked beans in the freezer and I have well, the beans are just boiled, there's nothing else, and then I have carrots and I have a potato. So if I mash it and I like put some seasonings and other stuff in it and then put a little bit of flour to bind and put it in the air fryer, I have something like something to eat basically. So this is how they look like. Let me take the prettiest one in the plate. You see? So I think there was too much moisture in terms of I didn't put enough flour, or rather because I also put in a butter, so the butter is a bit too much, so they're still mushy inside and they're very much delicious, and I'm having them with the sauce. And how my plate looks, it's just mayo, sriracha and lemons, lemon juice, yeah, and some herbs. So this is my girl dinner, and I'm gonna study for an hour, go to bed because I guess full. It's been a long day. We haven't had water, so there's like a planned city maintenance thing, so we didn't have water yesterday. The water only came back on the at 1 a.m. I think, because I remember I had opened the tap in the bathroom to just have the water flow. So I didn't have the chance to like fully shower. I just washed the essential parts. If you know, you know. And then I rinsed my dishes, and I was just like, I'm gonna do it in the morning. And then we wake up, there's no water again, and I'm just like, oh my god, I should have showered last night. I was just like, I've already gone to bed, what's the point? And today I was planning to do laundry because it's Saturday. I was just like, you know what, it's fine. So I still had water. I can see it. It's the 5 liters that I bought last year when we had the same issue, water outage. So I had refilled them with filtered water from the tap, just to have like standby water, as if like I felt that it was gonna happen like soon. So I had basically 10 liters of water. Then it did the water did come back earlier today, came back at 4:30 actually. So as soon as the water came back, I went to shower and I started preparing food. Yeah. My birthday is in 3 days and I'm just like vibes. Because what else can I do on my birthday than study? I need a choice. Yeah. It's my birthday. I literally, it's 4 p.m. I spent the whole day at my desk. By the way. Oh gosh. I already unboxed these with TikTok, that's why the box was open. But I had gotten a voucher at my previous employer for being a very good employee. So I got a voucher from Take A Lot, so I bought a tripod. Because remember I broke the other one, right? It's actually different. I thought it would be the same as the one before. See? Okay, at least it bends like all the way to the end. And let's see the height. Let's see the height. There we go. Okay. Amazing. It's a very tall tripod. I'm happy with my purchase. And to think that I practically got it for free. Now I'm trying to put this one down. Oh, no. Actually, let me just use the new one because this is just too much admin. It is literally the setup that I have just to keep it balanced because it doesn't want to balance at all. I think iPhone is just too heavy, so yeah, tripod, very beautiful tripod. It also has like the remote, so happy about that. Bought a fan. So I actually wanted to buy one in December because I was like, oh, am I going to attend weddings, and it's gonna be hot. It smells like electricity. Oh, it has even multiple speeds. Can you see? It's on a 2 now. Okay, it's the even puts the temperature. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, nice. Then level 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's it. But yeah, I bought it to help with when I put my like eyelashes on, like that. And then this is the gift that I got from my sis in December. Basically she got this gift for me to congratulate me for graduating last year because she couldn't attend my graduation because she had like a test on that day. So she's just like, I'm super proud of you. You know, my sister and I pour into each other so much, especially when it comes to expressing like love for each other. So she was just telling me just how proud of me she is, blah 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 blah. And then I was just like, I know I'm not going to be doing anything on my birthday. I'm most likely going to be studying, so I might as well just carry this to Cape Town and I'll unbox it there on my birthday so I can have something to be happy about. So I actually did like see everything in here, obviously, but I never actually read the card. I told her I read it. I lied. I never actually read the card. I just saw that she wrote a beautiful message, but I never really read it. I don't know if I should read it to you. Okay, it says, you're a constant source of inspiration to me, and I'm blessed to call you my sister. Watching you blossom into the incredible woman that you are today has been a privilege. Your strength and independence motivates me to be a better person. Keep shining, and may God bless you in every area of your life. I am super proud of you, sis. And it's so pretty too. I'm lying, I actually did read it now, I remember. But still, like, oh, it makes me like super proud to have such a bond with my sisters. Because I mean, outside of her, who else do I got? Who else? Okay. And then she got this. Guys, if you know anything about lavender, you will sleep. She understands me, that one, that I'm asleep. Pringles and Doritos, I love both, and they've been through a lot. They're literally like almost powder now, because surely they were throwing the box around. And then there's some bracelets. I love these so much. They're very pretty. And then a scarf. The scarf is literally amongst, okay, everything is my favorite, everything, I love it, but the scarf is literally like a highlight. I love it so much because it's giving cool girl, but it's giving chic and classy at the same time. It's so pretty. Okay, we're gonna save the best for the last. So there's this blanket. I'm not even sure if it's a blanket or a throw actually, or a scarf, but I'm assuming it's a scarf because I mean Cape Town is cold and you'd want to be warm in winter. I'm assuming that was her thinking, like, I don't know. Let's see. It is a scarf. It's one of those scarves. Wait, I'll show you now. And it can be a blanket too. Wait. This is how big it is. It's basically a blanket, but it can be used as a scarf like this. Now I need to get a good coat. I'm so happy. And then obviously the best for the last, the babe, the moment. Look at the handle. Look at the, oh my gosh, look at the what's it called? Is this like fiber? Wait, what is it called? Mesh? Okay, I'll put the word on the screen because right now I forgot it. My brain is full of academic knowledge. So it comes with a belt and a chain. So summer, guys, has fully begun for me as a January babe. I was just looking if I can carry it here. No, it's a no. But summer has fully begun as a January babe for me. This is so beautiful. And then obviously the box itself, it's a huge box. I'm going to be using this to put my stuff in it as storage. So yeah, thank you so much, display. There we go, back to study. This is a show now. This is a show now, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday. Okay, bye-bye. What's up, people? So it's the day after my birthday and I was told I have to go do like a criminal record check situation. So with my fingerprints, since I started a new job and stuff. So I passed by Checkers and I got myself a cake mix. Probably gonna bake tonight, if not tomorrow, because it's like 3 p.m. now. I've already wasted half of my day being out. I hadn't eaten, I'm literally shaking. Watch out. I just bought cake mix and some pork bangers, yogurt, what's this? Lettuce, and then I bought other veggies, so spinach, peppers, and more grapes at like the, what's it called? Like on the from the street vendors. Yeah. Hunger is a dangerous game, yes. It's just chips and smoke. Yeah. You know the irony of me filming this video again. But I can't even take this seriously. I bought guys, I'm laughing because this is a painful reality for me, okay? I'm sure you can tell from how the vlog started that I didn't start it exactly on the 1st of January 2026. Reason being, I accidentally, literally on my birthday, mind you, I was just like, let me not let it bother me and just get on with my day. But I deleted the video, like the opening video for the vlog. So yeah, vibes. So now the reason why I'm laughing this much is I have my other phone, right, my older phone, It's a Samsung A70, and because the phone that I use on a day-to-day basis, the phone that I use to film is full, was full. I had to use that one to film, right? Film my unboxing. Guess what? So I tried transferring obviously the footage to the thingy that I'm about to unbox. So you already know I'm going to unbox an SSD device for storage. So actually, let me just unbox while I speak. I bought it from Incredible Connections. It came in this box, and then receipt. But yeah, this is it. So it's a Samsung T9 1TB SSD, portable SSD, which I also found out that it doubles as a power bank. I was literally freaking out and dancing. You guys would have loved that footage, but it is what it is. I can't re-dance. I can't be fake. Anyway, I filmed on that video, and then I transferred obviously everything on this phone to the SSD, and then I transferred on that phone as well the footage. So it comes with two cables, one which is to use for your laptop, and then this one is type C to type C, so for my phone. This is it. This is how it looks. It's basically like a power bank, but it's not a power bank. I literally am raved about that, because I do have a power bank, but it doesn't use like a type C to type C, so I have to have a type what's this, like the USB type C cable, and I hate like carrying that one around when type C to type C is easier. Anyway, I transfer from the A70 to here, right? And then I try to view it from my phone, because I wanted to see, am I able to edit? Because I prefer editing with my phone, guys. Editing with a laptop is a hassle. Last year, because I remember I started the year with editing using my laptop, I had used Clipchamp. It was working fine, but it was just taking too long. And then now I tried using Clipchamp again. It kept just like vibrating and doing the most. Microsoft products nowadays are just no. So I deleted that one, and then I downloaded the desktop CapCut here, because normally I edit with CapCut and InShot. So I was like, let me rather download CapCut, because there is an InShot for desktop from what I searched on the store. Yeah, that one kept lagging as well, so I was just like, my days, I don't know what to do anymore. So the reason why I had to transfer everything to here was to see that, am I able to edit using my phone whilst having the footage being stored on here? Unfortunately, I can't. But the funny part is, the video that I transferred from that phone to here, when I was trying to view it from this phone, it wasn't opening, and I accidentally deleted it, because I was just like, if it's not if I can't view it, let me rather delete it and then try to transfer it again, not realizing that I already moved it from that phone to here. So if I delete from here, there's no recycle bin, it's gone. So yeah, I'm having a really fun time, guys, when it comes to this content creation thing. To think that it's been a full year, but I'm still deleting stuff. That's crazy. Anyway, I'll just have to figure out how I edit using my laptop. I think even right now, the reason why it's lagging so much is because its storage is full. So I had tried to transfer everything, well, not transfer, but copy everything onto my laptop, and it's just like making it slower. So this was a necessary buy. Financially, I'm dying, but it was a necessary investment, and I'm okay with it. Because then even now, when like I go out, I'll get to like take pictures without thinking about, oh, then I have to delete it, because 1 terabyte is a lot, guys. Right now, the footage that I have transferred so far is like 51 gigabytes. So imagine I had 51 gigabytes on my phone, probably more, because I deleted because I deleted them. I was so upset, guys. I cried on my birthday. And if you remember, if you watched the birthday vlog from last year, I cried that morning as well because I couldn't record anymore. My storage was full. This year, I'm crying because I deleted literally the video where I'm opening up the year and I'm welcoming you guys into 2026. It's a whole chaotic thing. But yeah, I hope you understand and I hope you enjoyed this somewhat of an unboxing. My life is not real. I'm telling you guys, it is not real. My loves, so today is the last day of the exam. I know I haven't been vlogging the past few days because it's been very much emotionally taxing. So I'm having breakfast now. It's just muesli and yogurt, prebiotic yogurt. That's gonna make my stomach very gassy, but it's fine because it's healthy for me, I guess. Guys, I don't want to do this again. I'm so tired. So that was literally traumatizing. Wow. But there's no time to sulk and moan. I wish I could just like crawl up in my mattress and cry, but there's no time. So my mom and little sister are landing in an hour 30 minutes, so I have exactly an hour 30 minutes to basically make space for them, get this place specking. What did they say? Speak and whatever. I need to clean though. I need to clean because I've been obviously like cleaning, maintaining, and it's month end as well. So like I said before, if you watched my, which episode was it? Probably it was episode 43, if not 42. No, I'm lying. Would have been 48, if not 49 or 50. I'm not sure. Either of those episodes. But yeah, I'm making it a habit that every single month end, I deep clean my place. Because yeah, it's necessary. Yes, I will clean every week. I make sure that I sweep, I mop. But right now I need to deep clean. My shower is waiting for me. I've received the call, I've requested the Uber, I haven't cleaned the shower, but I've cleaned the rest of the house, so it's fine, it's alright. I'm just gonna shower myself and then I'll clean the shower some other time at those points, because look at how sweaty I am. My hair has lit now. Boring, but it is what it is. At least the bathroom is clean though. It's just that I wanted to like scrub the tiles in the shower because they've got soap suds and stuff. Sure, I'm done. I'm so excited. I look so crusty, oh my god. That's my father. Quickest shower I've ever taken in my entire life, and I tore my finger, but here, just gonna wait here. Oh my god. Oh my days. To Cape Town.
Say welcome home. This is home.
Welcome, welcome. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Guys, these people, they arrived here and they're like, we are hungry, we are hungry. Man, I haven't bought my groceries for the month, like for Feb. So look at this other vlogger, they doing her shenanigans. Look at her food. She ordered a chicken biryani. Look at how big it is. Look at how big. It's very, very big. Anyway,
And the chicken is very
happy to be here finally. Also good to eat because I haven't eaten since I came back from the exam center. Right? I'm taking them to the beach, people. It's been a very long day of just running errands and so finally just catching a break, you know, nothing much. I'm giving them the full Cape Town experience by making them take the train. You're at the beach. Yes, girl. We are ready to go into the water. I'm taking off my jewelry because I don't want it to rust, you know. But I'm going inside the beach. The reason why we came to Muizenberg is specifically because the water is warm, and I haven't been inside salty water in a very long time. Like I think it was since I went to Mozambique. Imagine. You know, Osha baby. Check it.
I'm not worried.
You feel.
I'm feel.
Let's see the student card. Let's see the student card. Yes, ECT student. Yes. We are done with Rihanna's registration and we're now heading to Vienna to finally celebrate our birthday. Well, we started yesterday, obviously, but we're going again. We at it again. Again and again and again and again and again. I'm wearing my sister's jacket and then I bought this at Edgar's. It's new, it's boys, but I like it. And then I'm wearing these pants and some shoes from Mr. Price. Bye girl. Sorry for not having a birthday with Junior one.
Tortoise walks on land.
I wanna touch the starfish. Oh my god, the water is so cold.
So you don't touch the its mouth.
Oh, we're on its mouth.
Yeah, the
Oh, I see.
you can touch along here.
Okay.
It's sticky. This is purple.
I can't feel it. Okay, I can definitely feel it. Oh, this one is even blue. Hi. Feels like it's not a manyev. Can I touch the starfish, please? Yeah. There's even ones that are like on the side. Oh, it feels like a rock. It's very cute. So Moore's design. It's actually my first time like I've never seen this Christmas. Today like basically make it now in December for tourists.
It's actually so packed.
You're right. I'm at Office London and I'm having matcha. I'm waiting for baby sister to finish shopping because yeah. I'm trying your drink, ne? Ne? I'm trying your drink. Do you know, and I take a picture of it. Do you not want to take a picture of it before I try it? Then do it. Cheers. Content. Yeah, but we put them on, they know what the content is where it's at. So yeah, it's been a successful day out, spending my birthday, well, my sister and myself's birthdays, because we are January babies. We're back home now. It's about, what's the time? 18 minutes past 6 in the evening. I'm with my mom and her friend. They are about to leave because they're gonna go have their own slumber party-ish situation, and then my mom is gonna be leaving tomorrow to go back home, so we won't be seeing her after this. But yeah, since today is the 31st of I said December, wow, of January, it's the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope it's not too long, because then now I have to edit and make sure that I have it posted by tomorrow. Wow, the things that I go through. Wow. But yeah, very much happy about how this month panned out, although because of exams. But yeah, it went really well. Happy New Year once more. See you on the next one. Love ya. Bye.